In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to go about using the change of base rule by solving a particular question. Now, given log a base b, the change of base rule states that this becomes log a divided by log b. The change of base rule allows you to change the base of a particular log. For example, in this case, the base here is b. You can choose to make the base anything you want based on what you want to achieve in your question. Your base can be 6, anything. So that's the change of base rule. So if you are given this question to solve, log x base 16 minus log x base 32 equals 0. So applying the change of base rule, this becomes log x over log 16 minus log x over log 32 equals 0. Now, I can choose to give this log any base. I can choose 3, 5, but because what I have here 16 is and 32 are multiples of 2, so the best base I can give this log is 2. So I'll give base of 2 to all the log. Now this becomes log x base 2 all over log 16 is 2 to the power of 4 base 2 minus log x base 2 over log 2 to the power of 5. 32 is 2 to the power of 5 base 2 equals 0. Now, going by the power rule, 4 multiplies the log here. This gives us log x base 2 over 4 log 2 base 2 minus log x base 2 all over 5 here also multiplies the log. Going by the power rule, 5 log 2 base 2 equals 0. So going also by the identity rule, log 2 base 2 here is 1, so also log 2 base 2 here is 1. So this leaves us with log x base 2 all over 4 minus log x base 2 all over 5 equals 0. So the LCM is 20. So you can multiply each of the terms by 20. Multiplying this by 20, this by 20, and this by 20 gives 4 cancels here, 4 here 1, 4 in 20 is 5. So what's left here is 5 log x base 2 minus 5 here 1, 5 in 20 is 4. So what I have here is 4 log x base 2, and that equals 0. 0 times 20 is 0. Now what I can do here is to say, since these two are the same, since what I have here are of the same log, then I can choose to subtract these two. Since they are of the same type, I can say 5 minus 4 is 1, so I have one of this left. So when you subtract 4 of this log from 5 of this log, you get one of it left. So that will be log x base 2 equals 0. Now, to solve an equation, what you do from my previous video is that you transform this to 0 log 2 base 2. Now what you want to do is to multiply the side without log to log form. So 0 is without log, so you want to convert it to log form by multiplying it by 1 in log form. So in log form, 1 is log 2 base 2. I'm using 2 because the base I'm giving here is 2. So going by the power rule, log x base 2 is log 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of 0 base 2. So what I can do here now is to compare the two. The rule states that when you have an equation and the base of the log are the same, then you can equate the numbers. So x here will equal 2 to the power of 0, x equals 2 to the power of 0, and x equals 1.